Dre. Yo, what's up, guys? Whoa, what's up, guys? Today, go in the bed, okay? Bro, I don't want to hear that.
Hold on. That's stupid.
What?
Hold on. I
What are
need
you
to do something.
doing? Kidding.
I need to disable some mods. Stupid.
Yo.
Oh. This thing makes me reset my game.
Oh. Are you serious right now?
That's it.
Blah.
Hold on.
Wow, great job.
I don't want to be
Just
resetting
great.
the entire
Well,
controls.
looks like this guy did a stupid poopy fart thing, and now we have to restart. Yay.
So you want me to go through the pain of resetting our entire control?
Well, did you make it restart?
Hold on, I'm
And I didn't.
gonna see if it works. Yes, I'm seeing if it works, Armani. Yeah, it's fixed.
Yay.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
Ba 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 ma na 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 ba na 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 na.
Okay, weirdo. Remember your controls.
I remember my controls. I'll make you say how proud you are.
Get
Kind of
over here.
silly. My what? Silly Billy.
Money shh.
You're a silly Billy.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Don't make me tell Alejandro to do very naughty things to you.
He's already going to.
It's Undertale in my freaking.
Jack, what is that?
Whoa, what's what?
I leave to watch TikTok for 1 second and I go back and see the Animal Crossing villager.
That's not me.
That's
that
not
was
the,
Armani.
that's not the villager, stupid. It's
Control thingies. Shut up,
banana na na na
Armani.
na 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 na. I'm arrow keys.
Okay.
Up,
Pick up.
left. I mean, left, right. Guys.
Throw T. Okay, I got it. I'm ready.
Wait, guys. Wait. I'm lagging.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I'm lagging.
This is gonna be Armani's favorite. It kind of reminds me of him.
Dude, my throat. I'm a throat goat, but my throat hurts.
Yo, wait, guys. Give me a second. I need to fix something.
Oh, you
No, I
kidding?
don't want to.
Which one?
You should be the. Oh, come on.
Hold on.
Wait, actually, wait. Give me a second. I gotta fix something.
Yeah. So that means you were the big one. Chunky
Yeah.
monkey.
I love Chunky Monkey.
Shut up, monkey.
Who cannot be?
I'm the Easter Bunny. I'm the Easter Bunny.
No, it's. Hey guys, I'm gonna eat this chocolate rabbit, even though I don't believe in the Easter bunny. And then the guy skips and he's like, "I'm the Easter bunny. I'm the Easter bunny. I'm the Easter bunny. I'm the Easter bunny. I'm about to eat your."
Okay, my color.
You're black.
Wait, Jax, can you kick me really fast? Can you kick me?
Why?
You want me to kiss you?
No, kick me so I can fix something.
That's crazy. Why do you want me to do that for you, Armani?
I heard kiss.
Kill
So
yourself.
I.
No.
He's not wrong.
Dun, 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 dun. Sorry guys,
I heard that.
it's cause I'm lagging. I need to do.
Oh my god, dude, my throat.
Don't you?
Yeah, Armani was pink. I think.
Please don't make.
No,
No, I
Armani
wasn't.
Armani, you were
No. Alejandro was the beach ball. He was a pink beach ball.
Sam.
What color were you?
I was white and
I was
my
pink.
eyes were blue because Sans Undertale.
Oh, yeah.
Buttercup.
I wasn't
Say
that.
that. Not that good.
I need a better pink.
What about
Jackson.
that one?
That's the best pink you could do. Really.
Hold on.
Well, sometimes you just gotta deal with it, Alejandro. Sometimes you're not gonna get the right exact
No.
hexadecimal color.
How about
I'll
that
be
one?
purple. I'll be
Come
purple.
on.
It's fine.
I already
What?
just found a pink.
I think Alejandro was like a hot pink. I think. I don't know.
Oh my god, dude. My throat.
All I remember was that he's.
Who's that?
Who just joined the call?
Oh, Sebastian, why you join?
Ooh, why don't we add another child?
No.
Remember when we had Alejandro as a pup and then we called him a fat piece of. Actually, no, that was just me.
What the Sigma?
Ow, man.
Guys, remember, no more backpacks. No more.
I remember.
backpacks.
Alright, guys, you're gonna have to see my face for a second because I need to do something that's not for y'all not to see. So, all y'all are gonna see right now is a black screen.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Rain World.
Oh, and he left. We played 3 hours in total. That's a little.
That's crazy.
Anyways, this is gonna be our
Hello?
Lonnie's
Why?
favorite region.
Is it
Wait, have y'all started it?
the bananas?
I am actually just a ghost in the night.
Look at
Yeah,
how
we
fat
started it.
I am.
Oh yeah. Bro, I blend
Okay, maybe.
perfectly into the wall.
Are you guys carrying me?
I'm invisible.
Oh yeah, I'm eating you.
Get off.
What's? Oh my gosh, bro, y'all are
Get
so
off me.
weird. Oh, alright. By the way, I'm uploading some videos because
I'm Lonnie, I'm you. I
that's
blend
crazy.
in.
You know, I wish I could see, but I have to do something. I'm doing something really fast.
Hermione, join.
Okay, Jackson J. Chill. Okay, where's the invite?
We're wasting time.
Okay, guys, you can see the screen. Poop.
What
Okay,
do you
let's get
do?
this on the road.
Hi, guys, we're back.
Yippee! I'm so happy.
Go. Come on.
I know it's. I'm waiting for it to say that I joined.
Oh my god, Armani.
It's not letting me in.
Wait, Jackson, put it to where it stays on you, the camera.
I can try.
It's on me.
Well, if that counts as 30 seconds.
Oh yeah. Bonsai is ready. I got 3 minutes with you. 3 minutes of fun time. I don't know actually know how to do it. I just watched it.
It's playtime.
What do you mean? It's fun time because he's gonna have a fun time with
It's
your
play-
Why
cheese.
did this game just have a stupid funny thing?
Isn't that from Spider-Man?
Yeah, the first Tobey Maguire movie. What happened?
We're changing the camera.
Hold on.
Okay,
Come on. It's to follow us no matter what happens, I'm pretty sure.
okay. Bro, I'm very sad. My FNF video had a freeze frame. Alright, Jackson, I'm waiting for you to send me that invite.
Figure it out.
Hold on.
Oh.
Let me just see if I can do anything with the mod.
Oh, did it open?
It won't take long.
Where did it go?
We gotta
My
reset the game
bangs, my
because ignore how I
tank.
have so many so
I
many
found
mods.
it.
Ooh, you know I'm in the
And I just wasn't
mob.
here. Oh my-
Jack, hurry up.
Armani, shut up. Wait, Jackson, don't start it yet. I need to put my headphones in.
Wait, Jack,
Hey.
don't start it yet. I have to watch this 20-minute
I'm gonna be
video.
quiet.
I'm joking. I'm watching a sour.
Armani,
Man.
no one says right.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Today I'm going to be trying a
Okay,
chocolate
dude.
rabbit for Easter. Even though I don't believe in an Easter bunny, guys, I'm going to be trying
You can hit the
a
map button to request the camera to follow you.
Easter bunny.
So like if
Easter bunny. I'm the Easter bunny.
you're being chased or something, you can hit the map
Are you guys
button.
the Easter Bunny?
Yeah, that's probably very. Let's go.
I love the Easter Bunny.
I'm the Easter Bunny. I'm the Easter
headphones
Bunny.
You're almost done.
I'm
Oh
waiting. No, I'm done.
I'm almost done.
Go.
I'm ready.
We can point at people.
Point?
Yeah. That's for later. Let's just see what happens. Yeah. I'm Armani.
Yeah. Do you send an invite?
Get off my head. Why'd you leave?
I didn't leave. It kicked me out when you were doing that.
Totally. Sure. I believe you.
I have videographic evidence that I
Pick up
didn't.
the spear. Also, this time we got a way better cycle. Like, we got more time now. I don't care, Armani. Just join.
I know I'm joining.
Can you move around now?
But his shit didn't.
Wait, did I turn off stealing?
Alright, I'm coming.
Armani, let's go. Armani, can you move now? Those stick legs of yours.
Yo, I'm in. Wait, where am I?
Just, oh my god.
Hi, I'm here.
Okay, let's go.
Jackson, your
Wait.
little camera thing, not camera thing.
Is
the
it just me or is
mouse,
it darker
you
than
barely see
usual?
it on the screen.
Exactly. This is why you'd love this. You just blend right in. Except your
Duh.
character does the exact opposite.
What do you
I can
mean?
see you even when I'm not focusing on you.
Maybe is that good?
Anyways, let's go.
What the heck? My controls are like what?
Alejandro!
Okay, I feel like someone is controlling me a little bit, or I'm just lagging.
Oh, by the way, guys, you can hit the map button to force the camera to follow you. Now let's go.
I don't. Bro, I'm lagging.
I don't
I'm
know
lagging.
what my map button is.
Where's your?
Alright, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I'm too fat for this.
Bro, oh my gosh, I'm lagging every 2 seconds, bro. Oh my freaking gosh.
Oh yeah.
Shut up!
A sea monster? Where is
It's
it?
dead. I think. Actually, hold on.
Oh.
Let me make
Oh,
sure it's
I don't
dead.
think it's dead, Jackson.
Move!
Oh, it's
not
dead.
dead.
Oh, by the way, guys, eat this.
I got this.
That's crazy.
Nope. I'ma eat it.
Oh, by the way, guys, y'all
Where
should
do I have
probably learn how to long jump. That'd be a good idea.
Oh boy, I sure
What is
hope I don't
that?
die. I think I
Armani,
just
if you
drowned.
drown
Okay,
right
okay.
now.
Oh,
What? Ew.
I
what-
got
is
this.
that- is that-
Hold on, let me do it.
what the
Or
heck?
you fight. Usually those things are threats. Armani!
I
Armani,
can't
you're
see
gonna
what
kill
I'm
me.
doing.
hold on.
That's the point! That's the point of this entire region.
No, like it's because I was lagging.
Let go of me,
How can you not
Alejandro.
see what you're doing if you're white?
Alejandro, let
I'm
go.
lagging. That's the point, though.
No. Hold me, Jackson. I'm
totally.
scared.
Armani, Alejandro, let go of me. I can't swim.
I did.
Your weight's gonna kill me.
Help!
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, that part's red. Is that
Oh
bad?
boy,
Yeah.
a funny flower.
Hooray, a flower.
Did you just kill it? Do we go down or?
Yummy, yummy. I caught up. Hold. Okay, yeah, let's go down. Come on, people. Go up by
No.
going down.
Oh, cause the pipes could have
Anyways.
like
Oh,
changed
crap.
Go this
direction.
way.
The pipes could have changed directions, Jax. Use your brain. The big brain you have, boy.
Shut up. There's a shelter that way,
I
but it's
missed!
guarded by those funny monsters.
Oh.
Wow,
I got
Armani, thanks for wasting my spear.
Shut up. I was trying to help.
Move!
Move your fat
Don't move so I
cheeks
can
off
try-
me.
I killed Zing. There's some other ones still this way. Should we just like keep going?
Probably. Go to the shelter, because then...
Wait, there. Hold on. I thought there was a
Oh,
shelter.
yeah!
Let's just go and see what. Yo, weird.
Stop.
It's probably more funnier with...
There's
Where's
the
the
shelter.
shelter?
Are you sure this is safe?
Where am I?
I think you got taken by something.
I'm scared.
I got taken by Armani's cousin.
What do you think took you?
What just happened?
I got taken by one of those giant monster plants. It was completely invisible because it's so dark.
How are we supposed to...
Just like we just don't go that way. I never took that shelter because it's so garbage.
Oh.
Let's go.
Bye,
people.
Alejandro. I think I'm starting to lag
I
less.
want Macy
thank
can
you.
even fit on this way. Let's go. That's the way we came in from. While you weren't here.
Owie! Okay, guys, stop messing around. Stop!
If y'all don't quit right now.
Alright, so we go down?
Yeah, let's go.
Bye, Alejandro. Ow, my head. I broke my neck.
Good.
I love messing with Alejandro. It's so fun. But I'm gonna leave him
It's a
alone.
funny plant.
Did you just hit yourself?
Die!
Oh yeah.
I can't see what's going on. My inputs are being lagged.
That's
Guys,
crazy.
look what I got.
Oh, yeah.
Stop!
Just eat the plant. It's not hard. Yo, weird. Now let's go.
No, I'm just doing what... I'm getting revenge for what Alejandro did to
Billy,
me.
it's young man.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry to the viewers for the
Oh.
horrible
These
call.
fly out and can be very useful.
I can't
I'm
forget.
already-
Oh.
Yeah.
Move! Get in!
Eat.
Oh
So,
yeah. Oh yeah.